So with the pigeonhole principle, if you have n people and they have k choices, the n people with k choices, then if you want to be certain, so the word is certain, if you want to be certain that, so you want to be certain that at least 2 have the same choice, then what you're going to have to do is you put 1 in each hole. As you put 1 in each hole, then you could be certain that once you put 1 in each hole, then when you do the next person would have to have the same choice as one of those holes. So all the holes must be full. And when all the holes are full, like say we have 4 holes, and we fill each of those up with 1, 1, 1, 1, then when you get to your 5th one, so you go 4 plus 1, then you can be certain that one of these holes will actually have 2 people with the same choice. So 1 in each hole, and then if you just get your choices then, and how many is in each hole, so this one's times 1, and you add 1, then you will get how many times you would have to draw it out or ask people to be certain that there's at least 2 in one of the holes. So if you wanted 3 in each hole, like let's just say you had 4, you would need to put 2 in each of those holes. Okay, so that would be 2 lots of 4. So altogether so far, you've asked 8 people, or you've made 8 draws, depending on what you're doing. And then it's only when you do the next one, so you add 1, which is 9, that you can be certain that there will be 1 more person in one of those holes, which makes 3. So you can be certain that at least 3 of them have the same choice. So the pigeonholes are your choices. So the pigeonhole is your choice. Okay? And the number of people is what you are sharing, or the number of people or things or whatever you're doing, the total, is what you're sharing between those holes. And if you put the same number in each hole, it's only when you put the leftover in that you end up getting like this one, like at least 3 of the same choices. So if I was doing at least 4 of the same choices, and I had the same scenario, I want at least 4 have the same choice, I'd have to go 1 less than 4, which is 3. I would need to put 3 in each hole, okay? And then once I make my next choice, so that would be 4 times 3, which is 12. Once I make my next choice, I have 13. So once I've done 13, once I've picked 13 people or 13 items out, I can be assured that that extra person, I could choose 14 or I could choose 15. But I know that after 13, that's the smallest amount when I am absolutely certain that there will be 1 pigeonhole or 1 group of people that 4 of them would have the same choices. So it's just a matter of sharing.